Kodhi nyime ni duol makedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka EACC oyangoni gisegoyo okang' e lwenj kedo kod mibadhi ka e kind higa 2018 nyaka higani giseduoko maromo siling bilion 47.9 magin mwandu manoyaki gi jomibadhi. EACC bende yangoni giluwo ndach mwandu manengone nyalo romo bilion 40.7 mantiere lwet jomibadhi gi kindeni. Apisa mag EACC oyangoni pod giketo nyong'ong kendo maino mar tieko buche maginono nyaka e thuoloni.
UNODC in Eastern Africa, the people we serve. And sometimes I think we have the present time shows that there is no. The Secretary of Government was asking, why do people go corrupt?
The assets traced by the Commission during that period is worth $362 million US. On top of that, the EACC is currently pursuing forfeiture of corruptly acquired assets worth USD 308 million in various courts throughout the Republic. 2, the assets recovered and surrendered back to the public is worth approximately USD 211 million USD. The Commission also during that period averted the loss of public funds approximated at 296 million USD through proactive investigations and disruption of corruption networks.
This initiative has borne tremendous gains as the numbers of clean and qualified audit reports rose from 33% to 64% in the last year alone.